We're fixing an exhaust leak on a 2007 Mercedes MB 900. It was coating out, so we had a leak at the back end of the EGR cooler. And just a matter of disassembling and replacing seal rings or steel rings, and it actually had popped out a bit, so it was a pretty severe leak. And they're just steel rings that fit. There's two rings on each end, and those had kind of worked themselves out, and it was a pretty bad leak. So we get the code for turbo boost performance. And also there's a crack. This pipe is attached to the EGR cooler as well, so those a few things. And then once we get it together, we'll take it on another road test and see if that code comes back. Hopefully not.